Welcome to ये भी Unbox. सीधी बात no बकवास. In this video, we are going to unbox Breeze Ultra Light Inner Boxer from the brand DaMENSCH. Let's open and see how it is. For wash care, use mild detergents and avoid using a brush. This is front. This is back. One pocket at the back. Microfiber elastic waistband for easy stretch. Superior breathability with ultra light fabric for everyday wear. No side pockets. Hidden button fly for better shape and fit. Comfortable waistband.
Funky.
Cotton stuff, not stretchable. Lost wine color. If you are new to this channel, do subscribe this channel right now. If you want a video on the leaf or trunk of a particular brand, do tell us in the comment box. See you in the next video. We will see you no bakwas.